pain. Okay.
Oria namba ya arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 rathi na mbere kuongerereka guku bururi-ini noguo namba ya atungati ya arwaru aria mararwara murimu uyu mari wira-ini wao ithiete na mbere kuongerereka undu uria utumite meyumirie makiuria thirikari marumbuie kuona magwatio murimu uyu mathibitari-ini nio makoretwo magitigwo na gibarua gia kuriha mbeca ciothe cia thibitari amu thirikari ndimateithagia.
I was infected, I got sick and I required admission, but when I went to the hospitals because Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital was full, I had to go to Eldoret Hospital, and I remember I was on floor gasping for air and I couldn't be admitted, and they required me to give out 200,000. I didn't have. And even my neighbor who took me there was like saying, this is your fellow colleague, please help her, but they couldn't help me. They needed the money.
Atungati aya maugite miturire yao rathi na mbere kuritwo uria namba ya arwaru irongerereka mu thibitari nyingi ni ciurite na niki ya kuona ati thirikari ndigathikite mibango mirumu ya kumagitira riria marathi na mbere kurigita arwaru a COVID-19.
With all, the confidence, because I know many hospitals in this country don't have ICU. They talk of isolation centers, like some schools, which have nothing. So these governors also are just writing things. They are not providing anything. I know my county, there is nothing. I know many other counties, there is nothing. Somebody from Northeastern posted something.
Kirinyaga right now there is no ICU services. Why? Because they only had one anesthesiologist. An anesthesiologist is a doctor, is a specialist that mans ICU and puts people to sleep and coma and all those things. And they are the ones that man ICU and they are the ones we need. She quit. So as we speak right now, Kirinyaga does not have an anesthesiologist, and therefore I can tell without shadow of a doubt, COVID situation there is out of control.
Mamwe mamendekithia maatungati aya ni atiriria umwe wao arwara ari wira-ini wake aririhagirwo mbeca ciothe cia thibitari ni thirikari. Thibitari ciothe guku bururi-ini iheo matonyo makinyanirie ikiro ma kwigitira kumana na murimu uyu. Kuongererwo atungati ya arwaru 8,000 aria makuheo mawira thibitari-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini.
We are really suffering, and I'm feeling very bad because even our risk allowance is so low. The risk allowance needs to be like 30,000 and above. Our risk allowance is like 3,000. We are going through hell, taking care of ourselves, and nobody is even taking care of us. As a clinical officer, I'm feeling dejected, rejected and neglected by my own employer and even my country at large.
Maya makihanika ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 mahituku andu angi 413 ni marwarite murimu wa COVID-19 na ukinya namba ya arwaru othe 77,785 785 na hari namba eno athuri ni 258 na atumia ni 159. Ona kuri ugu andu angi 396 ni mahonete murimu uyu na ukinya namba ya aria mahonete 51,903 guku na andu angi 12 magikua na ukinya ikuo 1,392. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Kate Muthoni.